Howdy kiddos, let's talk about valence electrons and Lewis dot structures this time. This is going to be a little bit more of an extension of that electron configuration, and we're going to learn how to draw structures using just valence electrons and some symbols. You'll get it. It's going to be real quick here. So I want to start off by drawing out, writing out the configuration for something that we already know, something like nitrogen.
Okay.
So nitrogen, we know its electron configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. 3. Now, remember we said the valence electrons are the ones in the outermost, so let me write this, valence is the outermost, which orbitals?
S and P, because they're both in the highest energy level. If you notice,
yes. So
they're both in the second.
If we're looking at energy levels here, remember 1, 2, and 2. Those are my energy levels, but the highest energy level that we have here is energy level number 2.
Yep.
And we look at how many electrons are in the S and P energy of the highest energy level. How many do we have here?
5.
5 total. So my Lewis structure, labeling everything here.
Well, this is really complicated. So
really complicated. Wait. So I write the symbol, which is nitrogen, and I draw 1 dot for every single valence electron I have, which is 5. I start at 12 o'clock, and I write 1 dot, and I go around the clock until there's 1 dot at each of the 4 spots, and then I can start writing a second dot.
That's it.
Done. That's 5 dots around nitrogen. You want to do another one?
Sure.
Okay.
Let's do phosphorus.
Phosphorus. Okay, so that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6,
3s2, 3p3.
3p3. Thank you. So what is the highest energy level that we have here?
3.
I see 3s, so it's these ones right here. The S and the P electrons. There's 2 and there's 3. We have 5 again.
We have 5 again.
All right. So we write the Lewis structure is phosphorus with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I will say this: it doesn't matter if you don't have to start at the very top and go all the way around. You have to start at one spot, and you still have to go all the way around before you can give 2 dots in any one spot.
And if you notice, we did nitrogen and then we did phosphorus. They're both in the same family. They both have the same number of valence electrons, which is why they react the same way.
Exactly. All right, let's do another one. Let's just keep going through this.
Let's do bromine.
Let's do bromine. Great.
Okay, 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d10, 4p5. Okay,
this one's a little more complicated because we've got that d orbital in there. But let's look. We've got energy level 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4. Which one is the highest energy level?
4.
This 4 right here and this 4 right here. I don't care about this guy right here.
Nope, because he's in a lower energy level.
Lower energy level. So just the outermost S and P. So we got 2 here and 5 here.
So we have 7.
7 total valence electrons. So when I write bromine and I'm going to draw 7 dots, I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 valence electrons.
And what
It's the count from Sesame Street.
Okay. And what you notice about all the families in the periodic table, the families have the same number of valence electrons. So bromine, chlorine, iodine, they're all going to have 7.
Okay, so that makes it pretty easy to handle then. So is there anything else we need to know about this? I think that's pretty much it.
I think that's about it.
Awesome. Good luck, guys.